Hi everyone. Today I'm braised catfish in claypot. This dish is very significant for Vietnamese home meal. I wash the fish with the salt about 2 or 3 times until I don't feel that my hand have oil, and then I put some boiled water and wash again. Catfish very fishy and muddy, so wash it properly is very important. For ingredient, we need 2 cloves of purple onion, 2 teaspoons of sugar or 1 teaspoon of caramel sugar, 500 grams of catfish, 3 teaspoons of fish sauce, spring onion, and chili. So first I chop all the purple onion and the heads of spring onion. So when I marinate the half of purple onion, 3 teaspoons of fish sauce. So if you use the caramel sugar, you will marinate it here. But me, I prefer to heat the sugar, so I don't marinate the caramel sugar. So heat the oil and add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. But this one, if you use the brown sugar, the color is better. Yeah, you do the low heat, don't stir. And when it becomes slightly yellow, you add in the half of purple onion. And then turn one side until it's really brown. And then stir the whole mixture. Remember, use the low heat for this step. Fry the fish. And leave it about 1 minute, and then you turn the side of the fish sauce. Now to see the sugar, they make the color is yellow. For some recipe, people they add in some water when they braise the fish. But me, I cover the claypot instead. I don't add the water. And turn the fish every 5 minutes. That's all the fish sauce and the spicy absorb into the fish better. And keep the low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. If you like spicy, you could add lots of chili here. But me, I add when it's finished, mainly for garnish. Braised fish are served. They serve with the clay pot because the clay pot keep the heat for longer and bring the better taste. So now let's try. So you see the sugar after you make it brown, it brings the really beautiful color. Very nice. Yeah, try it and I bet you will like it. Please subscribe my channel to have a new video every week. Thank you.